salt challenge.
That is the salt. And I'm going to get her a drink because she's probably going to... Jokes.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh my
Stay.
god.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, that only fell off.
It did fall.
I know.
That's enough.
Okay, ready? There's your drink.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go swallow it. Go swallow it. Don't chew it. Eat it. Just do it. You didn't put enough on there.
Oh my god.
Is it really that bad?
Oh my god.
Is it really that bad?
Oh,
Sam, is that bad?
oh yeah. Feels like I'm at the beach.
Oh, ew. Does it taste nice?